You're browsing Zillow, Redfin, Realtor, or any other real estate website. You spot a property that looks interesting. But how do you know if it's actually a good deal for flip, rental, or Airbnb? That's where Homesage.ai comes in. Homesage.ai Chrome Extension gives you instant AI-powered full property reports and investment analysis. Homesage automatically detects property addresses and provides quick access to proprietary investment metrics that you cannot find anywhere else. Hit Run Full Property Report, and within seconds you have everything. Listing price, after repair value, spread, return on investment, seller motivation score, renovation cost estimates, property red flags, and much more. Compare different investment scenarios. Flip it, hold it as a residence, use it as an Airbnb, or a long-term rental. You also get instant comps with price adjustments, a local market outlook score, absorption rates, and price forecasts. And it works on any website. See an address anywhere online? Just click on the Homesage.ai logo. No copy-paste, no switching tabs. Create a free account and start analyzing properties instantly. Get 3 free reports every month, no card required. Follow and subscribe for more prop tech and real estate tips.